What's up guys? Today we're taking a look at 4 tools I use constantly in just about every video I make that enable me to create this content. First up, we have this multimeter, which is incredibly useful as it allows me to check if batteries are working, how much voltage or current is flowing through a circuit, and even get super precise measurements on my resistors. And it's under $100. Next, we have this 3D printer. While it is by far the most expensive, this thing enables me to design and build prototypes really fast and print out highly detailed models or things where precision is very important. Now, unfortunately, it's not being sold anymore. There are newer models, but I am looking to upgrade, so let me know what 3D printer you prefer in the comments below. The tool I use most of all is this soldering iron. This one is really nice as it has a digital temperature readout that you can adjust quickly using the onboard buttons. It also has a sleep mode in case you forget to turn it off, not that that would ever happen. It's also under $50 on Amazon, and you can get replacement tips that are only a few dollars as well. And of course, with the soldering iron goes these helping hands. Now, you don't have to use this specific model. There are lots of other ones with 2 hands, 4 hands, even 6 hands, but I like the nice heavy base, and soldering wires together without one of these is, let's just call it an experience. Let me know in the comments if you have any better tools than these, and I might just try them out. Subscribe so you don't miss more videos about tools and what you can do with them.